Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic NanoCAD tutorial how to add attribute to existing block. So for example, I will create block, you can draw a rectangle and I will create text in here. You can set the text name into number. Click outside and then you can press escape button to close. Now use a block command to convert into block. With the name I will set into example. For pick point I will click in here, and for object you can select the object. Click OK. Now to add attribute into this existing block, you can double click to go into block editor. Click OK, and after it you can type ATT to define attributes, and I will set text into number, prompt number. Okay, for the text height, I will click from this point, move into here. This text height. After it you can click OK. Now you can put into this point. I will resize in it a bit. After it, you can close block editor and then click yes to save the change. Now I will delete this block, and you can use insert command to insert the last block. Okay, we use this example block, click OK, and click on drawing area. So it will be shown for the dialog box edit of attribute. So I will set the number like into 45, click OK. Okay, that's it for basic NanoCAD tutorial, how to add attribute to existing block. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.